Okay, so now let's go over downloading attachments. So I got a message here from myself, and it's a picture that I took. So if you want to save the picture to your gallery, you go up here to the download button, and it'll download right into your gallery. Now if you want to add it to Google Drive, you press the Google Drive button up here, and it'll save it straight into your Google Drive folder, which you can easily check. The third button is for you to be able to share this image with anyone you'd like through messages or through another email. You can send it to whoever you'd like. You can also save the image directly from here as well. Something else you can do that wasn't mentioned before was you can send an email to one of your contacts. So you press down there, and then you press OK to give access to contacts. Now you would be able to check your contacts just by typing in one of their names, and if you have an email set to them via your contact app, you can use that email to directly send it to them. In case you didn't know already, there's a search bar up here that allows you to search for your mail. So the way this works is you type in something in the email. So for example, I typed in picture earlier, and you'll be able to find the email immediately. Keep in mind you can't search by people's name. I've tried. It just doesn't work. You have to remember something from the subject or something from the email in order for you to be able to search for it.